ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಧ್ವನಿ ಸಂಜೆ ವಾಹಿನಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
On the last day of Gifts World Expo, I'm Himani Gulati, Director at Mex Exhibitions, who are organizing this show. This has become South India's flagship show for gift sourcing, and we have 250 exhibitors at the show, showcasing over 1,000 products from all across the country. And it is very encouraging to see so many buyers coming from all across Bengaluru and southern India for their sourcing needs, be it IT, pharma, the dealer distributor network, and even end users coming for their gift sourcing. We have a wide range of products on display here with over 75 first-time exhibitors and a startup and innovation hub, which is encouraging smaller and newer companies to showcase their products to the audience. We also have the Stationery World Pavilion, which is a new addition this year to the Bengaluru Gifts World Expo. We hope this show keeps growing and more people be a part of it.
Which company, major companies participate?
A lot of major brands from all the segments, like we have home decor, we have electronics, we have gourmet hampers. So, the leading brands from each segment are exhibiting at the show.
Next plan, madam?
Next, every year this has been happening. This has been happening for the last 5 years. And we do Gifts World Expo Pan India in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Bengaluru. So next year, same time in August, we will have the edition again here in Bengaluru.
Before which places they held?
Just had the Delhi edition. Delhi edition was in July. Now in February we have Mumbai, April Kolkata and August again Bengaluru.
Next,
how many shops totally it was here?
Pardon?
How many shops it was here totally?
250 exhibitors.
what is the net profit? What is this? This show net profit, how? Which net profit?
Everybody doing business. Our profit is when we see so many companies getting a platform to showcase their products, so many buyers getting their sourcing needs solved at the show, and creating so much livelihood for various people from various strata. That is how our business functions.
So how was the business over here, ma'am? Belongs to your, compared to the Delhi and here?
See, Delhi is a national show where we have people from all across India coming. That's a very big size show with 800 exhibitors. And but Bengaluru is South India's biggest show, and it becomes more region specific because a lot of corporates, ITs who do not want to move out of their comfort zone. So we get the show to them so that they can do the sourcing here right in the heart of Bengaluru.
So what is the special on your company? Special gift World Expos Bangalore from your this thing is company.
Company is special. See, we whatever sector we work for, we understand the problem of that sector, that industry, the needs. We create a platform which solves all their problems. Now here, when we are talking of gifts, we have the gift talks also, which talks about the agendas and the issues around this industry. Similarly, when we work for other sectors like garment and textile manufacturing, consumer electronics, auto, so we address the needs of every sector for which we organize exhibitions.
Any persons, major persons come here? Which persons? This
See, for us, a major person would be a sourcing purchase head, a sourcing manager who comes and gives business to the booth here, to the exhibitor here. So for us, calling a celebrity or a politician, that is not the agenda. The agenda is to call the buyer here. And we have all those celebrities in form of buyers who are attending the show.
So what do you want to say for the Bangalore people?
For Bangalore people, I feel Bangalore is a wonderful city, and I've had my childhood here in Bangalore, so I'm in love with Bengaluru. And this show has been growing over the years. We've got so much love and acceptance from the market, and I think very soon it is going to become, maybe bigger than our Delhi edition also, seeing the response and how it is growing over the years.
next job lesson.
So next, which place you want to?
Next is Mumbai. Mumbai is in February.
February.
Yeah. Okay.
ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ಶಿಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನಡೆದರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ಶಿಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಳೆದ 3 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಅರಮನೆ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 1,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಅಧಿಕ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.